Guys, this is not a drill. Seriously, this is not a drill. You are getting an exclusive behind the scenes video of how I'm going to turn hula hoops into a bar cut. I said it. Hula hoops into a bar cut. This to that. Yeah, water to wine. That kind of concept. Water to wine. I'm not going to give you a whole lot of info as to how I did it. If you want to see how I did it, if you want to see how I did this amazing transformation, make sure that you have subscribed, hit the notification bell so that when the video goes up, you are the very first to see how you can also get to have this fancy looking bar cut in your place. All right, see you very soon.